This is a bag of chia seeds. They're loaded with nutritional value, but most people prepare it wrong when eating them. In this video, you'll learn the best way to get the most benefits out of your chia seeds. Stay tuned until the end. Make sure to also visit and browse the Arsenal Aspire's website to find hundreds of different health products to suit your individual health goals. You'll find the best products for your body, mind, and spirit. You can also see a list of some of the greatest books online that I've come across, and my blog is there too if you want to check that out. Hey guys, you've seen Arsalan here. In today's video, I'll be explaining what chia seeds are, the benefits it carries, and potential uses for them. I'm also going to be showing you guys how to prepare them correctly. So what exactly is a chia seed? It's an edible seed of Salvia hispanica, a flowering plant in the mint family. Chia seeds are among the most healthiest foods on the planet. Most people think of this when hearing the word chia. What's cool is that you can make yourself a chia pet. In fact, I think it would be fun to get around to doing that one day. But did you know it actually is the ancient Mayan word for strength, as it was an important food for the Aztecs and the Mayans? It's only now that they are recognized as a modern day superfood, whose size actually should not fool you at all because these guys pack a hefty amount of nutrients. Take a look here. Interesting to also note here is that chia seeds are 40% fiber by weight, making them one of the best sources of fiber in the world. And for most people, fiber helps you keep feeling full longer, which helps to curb your appetite. In fact, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds have 11 grams of fiber. Further than this, most people take their calcium from dairy, but did you know that gram for gram, chia seeds have more calcium than milk? So it can be an excellent source of calcium for people who are lactose intolerant or for those who are vegan, since you'll get 18% of your recommended daily allowance for calcium. Sounds good to me. On the flip side, at this point, we don't have enough conclusive evidence to prove they are effective for weight loss, diabetes, or high blood pressure, but that doesn't mean that this seed isn't powerful because it's still loaded with essential nutrients and benefits like fiber and the omega-3 content. So here's what you should take away from this video. You see, for chia seeds to move through the gut, it draws in water from the intestinal tract. What that means is that it kind of works like a sponge to move down that gut. So they expand in your stomach 15 to 20 times their weight in water, making them hydrophilic, which then causes bloating. You can actually see this when you add it to a yogurt or a smoothie, since they start to expand right away within minutes. But you shouldn't worry, since I got a quick hack and a fix for you. This is what you need to do. Simply soak them in water before eating them. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes and you should be good to go. The ratio should be 1 to 9. So if you have 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, soak them in 9 teaspoons of water. You can also soak them in smoothies, pudding, and soups too. Basically, we do this to prevent the absorption from taking place inside the stomach, so most of the absorption will happen outside, so you don't have to worry about the bloating. I hope this video has helped you learn about chia seeds, what they are, their benefits, and how to prepare them. Let me know how you guys make your chia seeds, or if you know of any other superfoods you guys are into in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.
Puppies, kittens, rams, bulls, there's even a chia tree.
Thank you so much for sticking all the way to the end of this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and notification icons for more videos like these. Until then, see you on the next one.